Today is November 7th and we are at Kanarra Falls, or Kanarra, don't really know. And it is a slot canyon hike. It's 4 miles round trip, so 2 miles there, 2 miles back. You walk through water and you see waterfalls along the way, so we're about to get started on that. And you do have to pay for this one, and they allow 200 permits per day, so it's $15 per person, and you just purchase it the week before, the night before, whichever you want to do. Since it's the off season, there were lots of permits, and somebody in a coffee shop said that it was worth it, so we went ahead and booked it last night. And we thought it was gonna be a little bit warmer out here, so we're both wearing shorts. Yeah, so hopefully we get a little warmer on the hike.
I'm cold.
But we're about to get started. Austin's got his pole that I bought him. I'm not gonna take a pole because I'm pretty balanced.
Hold up! Hold up!
And we're about to get started.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so we just did the check-in station. So if you're planning to come and not doing the permits, she does check. So we are headed there. She said like 1.6 of dry land.
Nope, 0.8 of dry land.
Oh, 0.8 of dry land. You tell them the rest because I don't remember.
You get to a creek you have to cross. It's going to be at your ankles. Then you're going to get to the first fall at 1.6 miles in. Good Lord. Whew.
We're coming up a really steep hill right now.
Then there's going to be stairs for you to take. You take the stairs, you get past that, you hit water that's at your knees. You get to the second waterfall, get past that one, and then get to one where there's a lot of rocks that you can slip on. Just so you turn around, come back.
And
it's freezing here.
She said the water is 41 degrees right now. So this is gonna be fun. Very steep right now. Very big hill. Getting our bodies warmed up for the cold water. Woo!
Oh.
So the sign had said that there's not a bathroom beyond the point, but here's a bathroom right here.
They lied to me.
He lied to me.
And I see that we are going across the creek in just a second. Okay, here's our creek crossing. We're gonna try to walk on the rocks so that we don't get super wet, because I think it's gonna be really cold. Yeah, look at there, didn't even get wet. Haha.
These shoes are in fact not waterproof. My right pinky toe is frozen at this very moment.
I didn't get wet.
I made the wrong choice. They like hills out here in Utah. Man, they love a hill.
As long as there are no switchbacks, I'm good. I'm not complaining.
I'm not complaining. I feel like they could have flattened this out a little bit more.
What's the fun in that?
I get there a little bit easier. My kidney doesn't feel like it's gonna explode.
It's hot.
Coming out of your jacket already?
Yeah. 0.5 yen coming out of the jacket.
We still got 0.3 before we even get to water. Okay. It doesn't sound like a lot. But when you're going uphill, it's a lot.
Yeah. So this is 0.6, and we think we actually found the water. That's the feet deep water.
I thought it was to go this way though.
Yeah, it goes that way though. So never mind.
It is water though.
It is water. We thought we had to go through that, but it points this way. So we're going beside it.
It said to climb more. Keep climbing.
Phone climbing.
Mine said before this adventure, she was like, you don't go up the mountain. She lied to me.
You
I've only been going up.
We went down some.
I know wind's coming off that water pretty cold.
It is.
Now I gotta get in water. I'm freezing me.
This is actually 0.8. And this is your ankle deep water crossing. And we're gonna try not to walk in the water again.
I'm gonna make it.
You got it. You got it? You think I can do that or no? I feel like I should do this. That's easier? It's still deeper though. Oh no. Grab it. Grab the camera.
I'm gonna give this to you so you have a lot easier time.
Oh. Okay, I got the sticky, you get the camera. Ready?
Well, she didn't jump as far as I did. So.
Listen, you got longer legs than I do.
Was it cold?
So, it's a little wet, but I can't feel it in my shoes, so I'm good. It's really cold when there's not any sun.
Dude, it's freezing in here.
Freezing without any sun. I feel like I should put my jacket back on, but I'm not gonna.
I'm gonna steal that jacket from you. Because I was not expecting it to be a cold hike. I thought it was gonna be a relatively warm hike.
Yeah, because it's been like warm the past couple of days. Like, where did this come from?
Well, it's not really that. It's just the sun's not up.
Yeah.
When the sun not being out, it gets chilly.
Yeah.
I'm tired of going up hills.
Me too. The Saints keep marching one by one. They do. They do. What's the song? The Saints keep marching. Yay, 1 mile. Entering Kanarraville Town Administered Lands. Look at that mountain just right in front of us.
That's what we're climbing.
I sure hope not. I hope we're just going between it. What's the song? Saints keep marching one by one.
I'm tired of marching.
Oh my goodness. I guess this is the section where you walk through it. Okay.
This is close. It's in time.
Nothing's pointing me, so I'm just going to follow the foot trails. Sorry about my nose running, it's cold. Oh, good lordy. Here we go, another river crossing.
See the waterfall?
Oh, my foot! Austin, I can't look at anything else. You should have done this first. Ah! Oh, my shoe! It's wet. I don't know where to go from here without getting wet. I don't want my foot to be wet. Help me.
Just stay in the river. I ain't staying in the river.
No. No. I was in help.
Come back. I'll go first. You just sit.
I don't know where to go. My toes wet. Oh boy. What'd you do? You went to that? Yeah. Okay, I made it. Just my big toe got wet. That's okay. I really need something to blow my nose in. It really does want us to get in the water really bad.
It's October, November, right?
It's cold. Yep, looks like people went this way.
Guess who else is going this way?
Aw. This is really pretty through here.
Again, I did not make these. I'm just following.
We're just following the trail. If it was any other time of the year, I'd walk through the water. I'd be perfectly fine walking through water. I want to walk through the water. But with it being that cold and possibly getting a cold, getting sick from it, I'm good. I don't want to get sick. My nose is already pouring. It's not. Out of one nostril. Already had a sore throat the other day from weather change. Here we go again. I feel like it is inevitable that I'm going to get my foot wet. Oh, that's a rock. That's a rock. That's a slippery rock. That's a loose rock. Okay. Ah. Just remember that one's slippery or it's wiggly. River crossing number, what, 3 or 4? Four, without getting our feet wet. Booyah. Okay, this is kind of, you know, we're just gonna, what do you want to do?
Ain't no way of going over there. Yeah, there is. You gotta cross back over and go that way.
You go that way, because there's still a thing. Okay, slinging trees at me. All right, just walk this way. Yeah. I don't think you want to go up there.
Stay put.
Oh my goodness. What you see? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, cool. Oh boy.
Not a very big trail. I made a mistake.
At least it's a dry trail. Careful.
How do I get down?
Grab one, sit down, like I did. Yeah. And just scoot your butt. It's gonna be a little dirty. My ears hurt. But it's a beautiful hike. The things we do to see waterfalls.
I don't recommend this hike in November.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it until it gets warm. Bug? A bug?
I've never seen one like that before.
Where? Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at the bug. I think I've seen these before.
You always say that.
I think I have. River crossing number 5. Heck yeah. You wanna go first or me?
I'll go first.
Okay, you go. You're a lot more confident with this stick. Should have got you a stick a long time ago. Where'd you go? Stinks. Booyah. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, this is the first one that we are kind of stumbled upon. We don't know how to get across this without getting wet. Like I said, it was inevitable. Because there's no rocks. I'm on this. No rocks to step on without getting wet. They're all underwater. That's a cool looking rock over there. Huh, I wonder what that is. I want to grab it. Look at it. Austin said he has a way, so I'm going over there to him. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Ow. I think I see a path now. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Austin. Yay! You did it. Now if I can do it. Very wobbly. It is wobbly. It is. It is. Okay. Okay. Cool. 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 We made it.
She has a rock.
It's a cool rock.
She literally got her feet wet to grab a rock.
I did. I got my feet wet because I wanted to grab a rock.
Rock.
Okay, putting the rock back. Rock climbing again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, this tree feels nice. Somebody tell me what kind of tree this is. Austin's leaving me. And he said, oh no. Oh no, I don't think there's any way of getting around this.
I got it. You just follow off.
Just follow
All you had to do this whole
Austin.
time, you missed it.
Duh! We just had to give Austin a stick and he would be cool. Austin, I thought something came out at me.
From where?
From under here because of that.
Did you think it
that
was an
oh
open?
my gosh, this is really like dead.
You think it was a no?
No, I thought it was like a snake falling. This is what I was hanging on to, and it's like, it's about to all fall, and then it's gonna make all that fall, and we don't want to do that.
Here.
Oh, thanks, love. Oh my goodness, thank you.
You said you thought somebody come at you though.
No,
You
something.
said somebody.
I said something.
Roll the camera.
Roll the clip. Austin, I thought something came out at me. I got sap all over my hand now.
I'm dying right now.
You say that a lot. Hoo-yah! Washa! Oh yeah. There goes my knee.
Oh. Pioneers used to ride those babies for miles. Miles.
Oh my good lord.
I climbed that.
Oh.
What do you think is up there?
I think it's a beaver. No, a bat. Yeah, you go for it. Let me see you climb that.
No way. It's impossible.
Never say never. Never say never.
I gave it a good try though, didn't you?
You did. That was a really, really good try.
Thank you. Hold on,
You see this water is coming out from here?
That's cool.
Natural spring water. You can drink that.
Drink it.
I'm not. There's a lot of crud. It doesn't give me a good fountain, but if you cleaned it out, it might. Cool story. I don't know if I've told you this before, but when I was younger, my friends and I saw like a natural spring like that, and we sat out there for days and hours trying to dig it out because we were gonna make like a natural swimming hole on my uncle's farm. What? No, it didn't work. I was like 13 maybe. We got burnt to a crisp. We went and grabbed shovels. We grabbed a hoe. We were digging. You thirsty? Look, his new cup that I got him has a compass, so he won't get lost.
Well, got this.
We have to make it from point A to point B.
Without getting our feet wet.
Number 7.
I was tired at number 2. Whoa!
Whoa! Ah! Do you hear that?
Yeah.
like booming.
We're going towards the booming.
Hold up! Hold up! 1 second. I'm stuck. I should go that way and go that way, huh?
Well, that's what I was about to do, but
Okay. Okay. Thank you. It's kind of slanted land right here.
I need you to move.
Okay, sorry. My bad. You need help? Okay, I'll get out your way. My bad.
I gotta do something crazy.
Yay! Look at that rock. Ooh, good skipping rock. I think I'm not very good at skipping rocks. Oh, thanks. So, Austin would. Did you say it's a good skipping rock? Look, I know stuff now. I'm so proud of myself. Good skipping rock. Austin, oh my God. He has traumatized me so much with how many times he's fallen that anytime I hear something like that, I'm like, oh no, he fell.
Oh, not again.
Ah. I find this to be fun. What you thinking?
Well,
I think I see a path.
yeah, I'll make it over there and go that way.
Yeah. You first or me?
I'll go.
Okay.
You stay back. Well, me and me check it out first.
Okay.
I have the stick.
Okay.
Even though I told you to grab the stick.
I didn't want a stick. Sticks make me unbalanced. If I fall, I fall. That's a nice rock. Yeah. It's a pretty little area.
We're gonna get wet.
This is number 8. Is that right? We cannot let the rocks defeat us. How did you stand on this rock? And how did you go from this rock to that rock? That's a baby rock. And that's because he has the stick, huh? I don't have a stick. I have to go strictly off a balance. I'm standing on 1 foot. I'm on 1 foot. I'm a flamingo. Holy cow.
She made it.
8. Well, we have met our demise. Is that what you call it?
I don't feel like
Demise?
we can go up that.
I don't think you can. I think you now have
Think
to
I can.
walk.
Bam, 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 bam. I can do that.
Okay, you try. I don't think so. I don't think you're gonna be able to without getting your foot wet. Da-na-na-na. This is number 9. Number 9 might take us out. Where'd you go from right here?
That rock?
Which one? That one?
That one, way over here.
That one? That's what I was.
That one here.
I'll sing.
Close. You did it.
Yeah. If that big old rock wasn't right there, we'd be able to make it. Yeah. I think we should just continue walking through the river with rocks like this.
Yeah, this is gonna be challenging.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. My big toe got wet.
I'm dry over here.
That's good for you. Backwards, I'm going backwards, Austin. Help me. Oh. Okay. Okay. Go. All right, I think number 9 took me out. Because here's my foot. I mean, this half up here is wet, so not my whole foot.
This stick right here.
Number 10. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Number 11. Yeah, we made it. And then you have to go right back across. Yeah. Ooh, that's cold. That splashed up on my leg. And then you have to go across again. What is that, like 12 to 13? There's a bird up there laughing at us. Your feet's gonna get wet?
Yeah, I couldn't get past it without my feet.
I did it.
You had feet wet?
Yeah. Ooh, number 14. You. You're shaking your head. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. I caught myself. It's okay. I caught it. I didn't do anything. I'm losing it. I'm losing the balancing. We just walked through. Is it Yellow Jackets that we were in?
Oh, Yellow Jackets, yeah.
Yeah, we had to like go really fast, and I had turned the camera off, so I didn't have time to turn it back on. One of them flew on my shirt. I was kind of scared right then that I was going to get stung. But are you allergic to those too?
Yeah, I'm allergic to all the
Yeah.
bugs.
And we don't have our little, what do you call those things? An EpiPen. I don't have my EpiPen with me, so that would not have been good. I'm not allergic, so if I got stung, I would just cry. Okay. We've been across like 3 more, but there's been people and Let me tell you something. I try not to record whenever there's people, because out of respect, some people don't like being recorded, so I try to turn it off when I see somebody coming.
Oh, well, that's it.
Oh, yep, that's it. Now you have to go through the slot, so now we definitely, feet are getting wet. Yep. Yep, this is it. Through the slot canyon.
That wind is killing.
Yeah, it is. Let's try to keep on rocking on rocks, I guess. We just came in. Now we're going. Going.
I'm cold.
Our feet are indeed wet now. Austin's shoes are supposed to be waterproof. They're not. Oh, my right foot is so... Oh, wow. I mean, so cold. Ah, that's so cold. Ow, it's like my foot's going numb. Yeah. Oh, yeah. More water in the feet. Woo! Ooh, look at the beautiful waterfall. Yeah.
I think my toes gonna freeze off.
Oh yeah. Ooh, what's that?
Is that a baby toy?
It looks like it. It does look like a baby tarantula. Okay, this is a hard one. You have to go climb up some rocks. My hands are frozen. My feet are frozen. Okay, get.
So this hike is supposed to be similar to the Narrows, but it's a little bit easier in terms of you not having to walk the water the whole time. It says that if you want to experience the Narrows with a little bit more moderate height, this is one you do. This one's also a lot shorter as well.
This one is a little bit more rock climbing though. Throughout the Narrows, you don't really do a whole lot of rock climbing. So yeah, this one's not busy. You do have to pay for this one right now. Government shut down, so we don't have to pay to get into Zion, but once you do, then this one would be cheaper. But don't come in the winter. Is it winter yet, or is it still fall?
This winter enough.
It feels like winter, even if it's not. My feet have gone numb, so I don't really feel it anymore.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah. My feet just got soaked again. I feel them again. I think they just had warmed off. I feel the cold again. Yeah, that smells good. What is this? Anybody? Tell me. What is this? What is this? Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Do it again. Show me your moves. This is where your feet get wet. Like, that's soaking wet. My whole foot's wet now. Yeah. Okay, so this is not the last one. We're at 1.75, so I think we got 0.3 left. Yay! Okay, so the next portion is where you go up to your knee high and 41-degree water, but it's the next waterfall, so. Really cold? Yeah. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, that's cold. That's really cold. Yeah. Oh, I should have just took my shoes off. Just should have took them off. Oh my god, I'm gonna be swimming. It's getting deeper. It's getting deeper. I literally cannot feel. Is there a way to do this without going through? Look at me. I don't want to get any more wet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know where is the ground. Where's the Okay. I made it through it. Sorry, I couldn't hold the camera the right way. I cannot feel my legs. Oh my god. Ow. Lift your leg up. Lift your leg up. I'm making it. Yay.
Got it wet.
You got it wet?
Yeah.
Well, take it off. Okay, yeah, just leave it up like that. Wait. Yep, my feet are on fire. Okay, I'm just gonna walk through the water. Just walk. Just go through the water. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yep. That burns. Oh. Okay, yep, baby waterfall. It's right there. Yep, it's a baby. It's a baby waterfall. Okay. No, it's not. Ow. Ow. It's just like on fire. How red my feeties are. I'm taking our shoes off because my skin feels so much better when it's when it's not soaking wet. Okay, yeah, that little baby waterfall, not worth going through that cold.
So listen to that man.
Ooh, we should have listened to that man. We had one man that said it was good, worth it, beautiful. And the other person said nope. I'm gonna have to wait until I can feel my feet again. Very cold. Very cold feet. If you do this in the winter, I recommend getting the winter package that has the waders where you don't get wet. This hurts.
He gonna follow me.
Bad idea. Oh no, crap. Patrons. Dill pickle chips. Terrible about dill pickle chips, by the way. These are disgusting.
Good.
I don't like these at all. Yeah, I want a peach ring. It was a very bad idea to sit because our feet still numb and now it hurts really bad. I put my jacket back on. But there's 4 toes that I can't feel, like, to the touch. And that's kind of worrying me. Like, I don't want to cut my toes off. Especially not for that baby waterfall.
Oh, it hurts.
Yeah, that's really painful. We don't have socks on either. We didn't put our socks back on. We just put our shoes back on. So we're probably going to get blisters. Oh, this is painful. Oh. Oh. We're going to try to stop getting our feet wet because I think that's what's making it worse. Because the longer your feet stay cold, the more numb they go. And then we can't really walk on numb feet because you can't feel what you're putting your foot on. So we're still gonna try to keep our feet dry again, but there's, you know, our shoes are still wet, so they're gonna stay a little bit wet. Yeah. What?
Terrible idea, by the way.
Any water activities don't do in the cold.
I knew that before.
Well, now I know. Learning lesson. I have to learn the hard way, you know?
I know, I beg you. I beg you, it's supposed to be warm on the walk back.
Then I would have never seen that waterfall.
That's a memorable one.
Oh. I'm laughing through all the pain right now.
2-foot tall waterfall.
Listen.
The guy came past me, he said, listen, it ain't worth it. He said, don't do it. He said, my wife wanted to do it. And he said, it's not worth it. He said, now you gotta walk 2 miles back to 3 miles. And I went to my house and mine. He said, it ain't worth it. And I said, come on, let's experience it together. One day we're suffering together.
Yeah, see, I would be suffering alone. The more we keep putting cold water on it, the worse it's getting. So we're just trying to go really fast.
I can't feel my toes.
I can't feel my toes. It hurts. It hurts real bad. And it's like the ones that I can't feel, I really can't feel, but the others are on fire. It's like I'm walking on ice fire. And anytime that water hits, it's like worse fire.
Like knives.
Yeah, it feels like knives are stabbing you in your feet. Little bitty knives. Little needles. And it's getting really hard to walk on this foot because I can't feel those toes. I think we made it to the part where we can stay out of the water mostly. Oh, I can't wait to get back and get my feet warm. Now that our feet's warming up and our hands and everything else is warming up, our parts of us are starting to itch because the blood is flowing back.
It is.
So we're not through with the pain.
Well, the pain never goes away.
It better go away. Okay, guess what character he is being? if you can guess. And oh my gosh, your butt. It's orange. Show me. Oh my gosh. Oh no, Austin. My feet didn't do that. Your shoes are bad.
I didn't have socks on, love.
I didn't have socks on the last part of it. Oh, well. Now, his toe or his heel is bleeding. And my pinky toe's still blue. I can feel it coming back to life. So I don't think I'm gonna lose my toes. So that's a good thing. But now we're gonna go find somewhere to eat because we are both very hungry, and that's gonna be the end of this video. If you liked seeing us be tortured, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe so that we can continue making these videos. Peace out, Girl Scout. I'm calling deer.
I wish they sold stickers for this place. Ooh, almost got that tongue.
Yep. Just kidding, I got it. I've been stung. Oh God, I almost hit a tree. I need to pay attention instead of looking at the camera. And we continue to go up rocks until we get to the waterfall. Ow, I scraped my leg again. Oh my God, that's the third time I scraped my leg.